Life was going very smooth, but some virus came and it is locked down throughout the world. The Zoom Harikatha was going very smooth. Some virus came and locked down. So very interesting. What was happening before, every day in a Zoom Harikatha, everyone was able to see me and I was able to see everyone, right? Actually, that's the perfection. When a sadhak, he sees the Lord, he sees Krishna, Radha Madhav, and Radha Madhav also sees him. But now, what happening now is the reciprocation between Jiva, soul, and super soul, Atma and Paramatma. You know what I want to say? Is that now you all can see me and I can't see any of you. It is like Paramatma. We can't see Paramatma, super soul in the heart, but super soul can see us. So you all are kind souls. You all can see me. I can't see all of you. Anyhow, let us continue. There was some technical fault, and that's why no connection with the Zoom. Shimanarasarasarambi Vamshivata Sthita Karshan Venusanir Gopi Gopinath Shriyasuta Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnebhyo Namo Namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Ram Hare Hare. So, Ras Utsav Sampravatto Gopi Mandal Mandita Yogeshwarena Krishna Tasa Madhya Doi Doi. We were hearing yesterday Chaitanya Charitamrita by Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explaining how Krishna expands himself in so many forms and he is reciprocating. And we heard two examples. One is Krishna entered 16,000 palaces and is reciprocating with all his queens. Similarly, Naraji also expanded in that many forms and he entered in all the palaces to see what Krishna is doing. And what he found was Krishna is performing different activities, different pastimes in different palaces. It's not same. So he is not an ordinary yogi, whereas he is Yogeshwarena. He is the master of all mystic. And what can be more than this? Why we hearing Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita? By hearing Chaitanya Charitamrita itself is a sadhan and itself is a sadhya. Harinam is sadhan and Harinam is sadhya. Try to understand. Harinam is practice and Harinam, holy name, is perfection. Harikatha is practice and Harikatha is also perfection. Yeah. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the combined form of Shri Radha and Krishna, who keeps relishing the joyous moods of Radha's Anurag. That is his nature. Through his associates, by himself and through his associates, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is showering this world showered and showering this world with something which is not present in this world, and that is Krishna Prem. Mahaprabhu is relishing this, and he wants everyone to also relish this. That's why he is very generous. That's why he is Mahavadanyai. Krishna is also Vardata. He is very fond of giving benedictions. As all demigods, very fond of giving benedictions. Brahma gave benediction to Hiranyakashipu. Brahma gave benediction to Shiva gave benediction to Ravan, and similarly son Surya also gave benediction. Sahasrabahu, demon. Similarly, Bhagwan also gave benediction. Oh, again sound is low. The sound is fine now? My energy level also low today. Anyhow. Okay. Sound is good. The person has to be good for the good sound. And because I'm not a good person, so sound is also not good. What can I do? So, what I was saying? Yes. Always giving benediction. What Krishna gives? What Krishna gives? Srimad Bhagavatam explains, Rajan Pati Guru Alam Deva Priyanam Kulpati Kvacha Kinkrova Ashtam Eva Anangam Bhagwan Bhajate Mukundam Mukti Dadatit Kahachit Samana Bhakti Yoga. Krishna, who is starting this festival of Ras, Ras Samoiti Ras. But Krishna is not the doer in this Ras. We heard yesterday Vishnu Chakur Thakur explaining, Krishna is not the doer in the Ras Leela. Then who is the doer? Krishna is only one ingredient. There are many ingredients involved to perform, to make a ras, a mellow, a drink. Similarly, too many ingredients required to perform Ras Leela. Krishna is one ingredient only. So he is not the doer. He is not claiming I am a doer. Who is the doer in Ras Leela? Ras Leela is the doer of Ras Leela. The pastime, Ras Leela itself, is a doer and expanding and relishing along with the object Prem. Along with Prem. Prema is making everyone dance. Ras Leela is making everyone dance, and whatever is going on is all been done by Ras Leela. But Ras Leela independent, yes, but must be following someone. There must be one person who is the doer of Ras Leela, and because of that person, that personality, Ras Leela is been performed by Krishna. And Krishna claims, this is my best pastime amongst all other pastimes. My all pastimes are sweet, no doubt. But when I think of Ras Leela, I don't know what happens to me. So who is that personality? Radha Rani, the important ingredient of Ras Leela. Raseshwari. Shrimati Radhika. So, Ras Utsav Sampravatto. This is a festival, Ras Leela. Shrimad Bhagavatam starts with the very first shloka explaining or describing the festival. Festival of what? Janma Dasya Yataha, which is also one of the Brahma Sutra. There are 108 Upanishads, there are 18 Puranas, there are 4 Vedas, and there are 550 Brahma Sutras. Athato Brahma Jigyasa, Janma Dasya Yataha, Anavritti Shabdad, and Tattu Samanvayad. All these are sutras, means formulas. So what is Shrimad Bhagavatam? Arthoham Brahma Sutranam. The meaning of Brahma Sutra. Janma Dasya Yataha. The very first word, beginning, Mangalacharan of Bhagavatam is Janma Dasya. What is that meaning? The meaning, the festival of the birth of Krishna. What is so amazing about this birth of Krishna is that simple. No, Krishna who is unborn, Bhagwan who is unborn, Krishna who has been unborn, and Krishna whose birth pastime is not there in Nitya Leela in Golok Vrindavan. That Krishna, that Bhagwan is manifesting his birth pastime in this home Vrindavan. That's the festival about. वैकुंठ आद्य ये लीला नाही प्रचार से लीला करिबो जाते मोर चमत्कार. Those pastimes which are not there in Vaikuntha and Adya means in Golok Vrindavan, those pastimes are being propagated or manifested, displayed by Krishna in this home Vrindavan, in this Vrindavan. So Janma Dasya, one who is unborn is showing or manifesting his own birth with some strange dealings, appearing in Mathura and taking birth in Gokul. Tasmad Adbhut Balakam, in the prison house of Kamsa, appearing there in Mathura as Devaki Nandan Krishna, and there in Gokul, natural birth from the womb of Mother Yashoda. That is Janma Dasya, a festival of birth of Krishna. Therefore, what Krishna gives in this verse, which describes the glories of Pandavas, that Krishna is brother of Pandavas, Krishna is well-wisher of Pandavas, Krishna is friend of Pandavas, Krishna is everything to Pandavas, relative of Pandavas. But Mukti Dadatit Kaharchit Samana Bhakti Yoga. He gives, he always gives benedictions. But his Kaharchit, sometime he can give liberation, Samana Bhakti Yoga, but he hides his Bhakti Yoga. He gives liberation, but he hides his Bhakti Yoga. This is what Krishna gives. What else Krishna gives? Tesham Satad Yuktanam Bhajatam Priti Purvakam Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam Yenamam Upyantite. Krishna gives Buddhi Yoga. Krishna gives Mukti. Krishna gives Buddhi Yoga, also intelligence. This is what Krishna is giving. Do Krishna gives Prema also? Yes. Also, because in Bhagavatam Krishna says, Akamo sarva kamava moksha kam udarihi. Anyone who approach me with any desire or without desire, or even the desire of liberation, I fulfill all those desires. How about prem? Do you also fulfill someone's desire of prem? There is a verse in Lagu Bhagavatamritam by Sri Rupa Goswami Pad explaining the nature of Krishna. And what is that? Sant avatar bhava pankaj navasya sarvatra bhadra Krishna vadanya kova latosi premado bhavati. There are many pastimes, many incarnations of Krishna, all auspicious ones. But Krishna is very generous, who even gives prema to the creepers. Krishna is Krishna Vadanya. Krishna is Vadanya, generous, donor. Kova sa premado bhavati. He gives prema to whom? To creepers. Okay, so he gives mukti, he gives intelligence, he also gives prem. But which creepers Krishna give prem? These creepers which are hanging in our gardens? No, not these creepers. Those creepers which are already situated in the kunja and in the nikunjas. In the kunjas and nikunjas, those creepers get showered by the prema of Krishna. Means those who are already situated in that Shuddha Sattva. So I was explaining this point this morning, just trying to repeat that. It was a very wonderful point. That how we can get this prema from Krishna, which is so difficult. He is generous, but only to his associates. He is generous to creepers, but those creepers which are already situated there. How we can get this prema, and we can get entrance into this Ras Utsava Sampravatto Gopi Mandal Mandita. This Ras Utsav, the festival of Ras, which is the ultimate perfection of a living, of a jiva. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur says this. Tua gana majhe amare ganani king kori koriya rakho apani. In that song, Braja Vipine Yamuna Kule Mancha Manohar Shobita Kule. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur say, Tua gana majhe, O Radha Rani, please include me in one of your maid servant in your group. Please include me as a maid servant in your group. King Kori Koriya Rakho Apani. And just keep me as your maid servant. I am not asking, and I am not going to demand anything from you. Even if Krishna will propose me, I will say no to Krishna. Just one thing I want, only to become your maid servant. Sakhetumam namastu namastu nityam dasyastumam rasastu rasastu satyam. Shri Raghunath Das Goswami. All glories to that position of your Sakhi. I don't want that. What do you want then? Dasyastumam rasastu rasastu satyam. I want to get your dasya as a maid servant serving your lotus feet, O Radharani. That's the perfection. And we also heard in Chaturshloki Bhagavatam, Aham evasam evagre, the very first shloka, Srinivas Acharya Prabhu give the commentary on this verse, saying, when Krishna said, I was present before creation, I am present in creation, I will be present after creation. What is the meaning? He said, Krishna wants to say, I was present in a Ras Leela, I am present in a Ras Leela, I will be present in a Ras Leela. I never leave Ras Leela. Just like a bumblebee gets stuck in a lotus. Srila Gurudev used to give this example. Bumblebee is so powerful, he can make a hole in that big log of wood. big branches of tree, those wood, he can make a hole in that. But bumblebee sits on a lotus and lotus close. He can't even able to pierce that very tender soft petals of lotus, because he get absorbed there. He get relishing the nectar from that lotus. So he don't want to come out, and he can't come out because he got controlled with the love of that lotus. So Ras Utsav Sampravatto, that's the festival about. It's the festival of Krishna with his gopis. Swasukh Aswadana. He's relishing, but he's also making others relish this. How? By reading about Ras Leela with the commentaries of Acharyas. Is so relishing. Is so relishing. And if one get entrance into this Ras Leela, that's the perfection. And this is whole festival about. But how to get this? For that reason, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his associates, who established the Manobhishta of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitam Ena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Swapadankitam. Shri Rupa Goswami, who fulfilled the inner most desire of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and established that dharma which Mahaprabhu wanted to give to this world. As Shri Mahaprabhu infused his potency in Rupa Goswami, where at Prayag, the confluence of three rivers, Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati. Vrindavan Ras Keli Vartam Kalin Lupta Nij Shakti Yukta Sanchare Rupno Vyatnat Punasa Prabhu Eva Prayag even Loka Shishtim. The meeting of three rivers, Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati at Prayag, but also the meeting of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the meeting of Shri Rupa Goswami. And Mahaprabhu infused this potency in Rupa Goswami and made him taste that one single drop of bliss or the ras of that ocean of bhakti. And by tasting one drop of that ocean of bhakti, the nectar of the ocean of bhakti, Rupa Goswami Pad had made another ocean with that one drop, Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu, where he is telling us how to attain this festival of Rasa Leela. How? Did anyone performed sadhan and got entrance into Ras Leela? What are the qualifications required? Shruticharis got, Municharis got, Devis got. But how? By following the footsteps of Radharani. Not by becoming a Sakhi and Gopi. Vayam apite sama sadrish angri saroj sudaya. Shrutis, 10th canto Bhagavatam, explaining this. We also want to attain this perfection and to get embrace of the long arms of Shri Krishna, but not independently. Vayam apite sama sadrish angri saroj sudaya. By following the footsteps of the gopis, Braj gopis. That's the inspiration needed or required. So what is the meaning of following the footstep? This is very clearly, this means very clearly Raganuga Bhakti. Ragatmika anusmritya saraganuga uchyate. Following the footsteps of Ragatmika bhaktas is Raganuga Bhakti. You see? Therefore, one has to go through sadhan bhakti, bhav bhakti to attain prema bhakti, which cannot be attained by practice or sadhan. No. How to attain that prema bhakti? To get entrance into Ras Leela. By attaining Shuddha Sattva. That Shuddha Sattva which is present in the heart of Vishuddha Sattvas, means inhabitants of Braj, means the residents of Braj, means the associates of Braj. They carrying this Vishuddha Sattva in their heart. To attain that, not Vishuddha Sattva, no one can get Vishuddha Sattva, that's only associates. But to attain that Shuddha Sattva which is present in their heart, in our heart, for that we need a practice. So with practice one can attain Krishna Prem? No. It's not possible. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabhu Nai. Cannot be with sadhan. That's Nitya Siddha, eternally perfected. But to attain this, we need help and support of those associates, all our Gurujans, Guru Vargas, who are carrying this in their heart. I was giving example, just like bumblebees. They sit on different flowers and extract nectar, makaranda. Yes? Any other word for that? They extract that, and then they all come together and keep there. Where? Beehive. On a tree or somewhere, beehive. They all come together and they move all here and there, and they collect this nectar from different flowers. That's a God gift to them. The collection and then store. So those who need honey, how they will get this honey? Which is extracted by those bees. Bees knows how to extract the smakran, the nectar from the flowers. We can't. And they eat that. And when they eat that, they spit that. The saliva and the nectar together forms honey, which is so sweet. Honey is sweet. Understand? So if someone wants to get this honey from that tree, the branch where the beehive is there, I don't know about other countries, but in India I've seen what they do. They put one fire, and the smoke which emanates from that fire goes to the branch, and the bees move here and there. They allow the bees moves here and there, and they allow the honey to fall, and they collect on that container. There are many procedures. We have devotees in Italy. They have their own. They produce their honey. Sardinia. There's one Parshuram Prabhu. He has this farm where he produces his own honey. But in India I saw this is a procedure. The smoke goes up and bees move around. The honey falls from that beehive, and then they collect in the container. And the same procedure. It's all about extracting Shuddha Sattva from the heart of bee-like Sargrahi, one who always extract the essence. Those bee-like devotees. Manamanasa Madhukara Marpaya Nijapada Pankaja Makarande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande. O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande. What is saying? Manamanasa Madhukara Marpaya Nijapada Pankaja Makarande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande. What is saying? O Krishna, I am offering a prayer to you. Kindly place the bee of my mind within the honey of your lotus feet. You see? The bee of my mind to honey of your lotus feet. So, what is that fire? What is that smoke? When a sadhaka practice his sadhan, he try his senses, he try the control of senses and burn in that separation from Shri Krishna. That moment, it does not come in a stage of bhav, sadhan. It comes in a stage of bhav. When a person the sadhaka start feeling separation from Krishna. And because of that fire, that smoke which emanates, it touched that beehive where all these associates are together and they are gossiping something. What they are gossiping? They are discussing, not gossiping, discussing something. Discussing about what? They have extracted nectar from different flowers. Extracting nectar from different flowers means they are extracted the pastimes of Krishna, what he did there, what he did there, what he did there, what he did there, what he did there. And then they all come together, bees, and they all discuss there. And they are collecting that honey there. When sadhaka practice feels separation from these associates and Shri Krishna, then the bees themselves, they allow the honey to fall. They allow. And what is that honey? You understand this analogy, what I am going to say? What I am saying is that Shuddha Sattva which is present in the heart. That falls and one hold in the container. Container means qualification. Then one gets qualified to enter into that super exciting, fascinating festival where Krishna is not doer, where Ras Leela is doer. That's the perfection. So Ras Utsav Sampravatto Gopi Mandal Mandita. Krishna who gives mukti, Krishna who gives buddhi yoga, Krishna also gives prema, but only to those creepers who are already situated there. But in this pastime, Ras Leela, Krishna is begging for Ras. Begging from whom? The main ingredient of Ras Leela, Raseshwari. बोले तुहु बिना कहाँ रास, तुहु लगी मोरा बरजवास। यही बोला ना? Am I wrong? बोले तुहु बिना कहाँ रास. Krishna saying, oh Radhe, without you I can't do ras. Tuhu lagi mora brajavas. You are my Jivanar Jivan. You are my life, life of my life. So, Madde Manimanam Haiman Ma Markata Yatha. Just like emerald, the sapphire stringed with that necklace of gold beads, the sapphire is in the middle and golden beads are surrounding that sapphire. So there are 2 points here. One is that sapphire is in the middle, so Krishna is in middle, and all golden beads are like gopis. The beauty of that sapphire is also because of those golden beads around. That's the analogy giving here. So Shri Bilmangal Thakur commented on this Ras Leela saying, Anganam Anganam cha antara madhavam, madhava madhavam cha antaranganam. This is Bilmangal Thakur. Itam akalpate mandale maddega sanjoga venunam devki nandana. Madhav was between each pair of gopis, and also each gopi was between two Madhavs. That's the positioning of Shri Krishna. How the circle is been formed, we heard yesterday. Krishna is in middle, right in the middle of the circle, surrounded by all Braj gopis. And each and every gopi is like Lakshmi Sarupa, so beautiful ones. And who are these gopis? Shri Brahmaji said, Anand Chinmay Ras Pratibhavi Tavi Tavi Eva Nija Rupatya Kalavi Golok Eva Nivasatim Akhilatma Bhuto Govindam Adi Purusham Tamam Bhajami. The manifestation of Ahladni Shaktis. So when this festival began, Krishna in the middle with Radharani, surrounded by the gopis, but then he expanded himself in as many forms. So each pair of gopi got one Krishna. Each pair of gopi. Madhav was between each pair of gopis, and also each gopi was between two Madhavs. Very interesting. And Krishna also appeared in the middle of circle, playing upon his flute and singing. When there is festival, there is always singing and dancing. If there is no singing and dancing, what is the meaning of festival? So that's the festival about. The basic cause for this extraordinary event is indicated by the word Yogeshwarena, means Krishna is the perfect master of all methods of artistic skills and the means of acting thus. Krishna is a perfect master, not only master, perfect master of all these skills, how to dance and how fast he is dancing. He is in the middle, right in the middle, and then he is also reciprocating with 300 million gopis around him, and then he comes back in the middle. How is possible? It's beyond my conception. It's so inconceivable. How is in the middle and is running to reciprocate and touching the hands, and not only touching but embracing each and every gopi, and then again he comes back in the middle, then he goes again in that circle, then he comes back in the middle. Baba, how are you doing this? Perfect master of all skills. And other mean of Yogeshwarena means, yoga means Yoga Maya, the great potency who is expert in doing the impossible for her, Lord Shri Krishna. Yoga Maya is assisting Krishna by doing this. When we say Kartam Kartham Anyatha Kartum, means Krishna who makes possible impossible and can make impossible possible. By whose help and whose support he is able to accomplish this? Yoga Maya. And right in the beginning of Ras Leela, Shukdev Goswami indicated openly, Bhagwan apita ratri sharad full mallika vikshirante manaschakre yoga maya upashrita. Bhagwan, Shri Krishna, Supreme Lord, is manifesting this pastime, but Yoga Maya Upashrita, by taking shelter of Yoga Maya. And not only in this occasion, Yoga Maya is assisting. Throughout Ras Leela, Yoga Maya is assisting. How? When Krishna played flute, all gopis came running to him, but there were some who were stopped by their husbands. Where are you going? In this middle of night. They stopped gopis, and those gopis, they burn in separation. And in that separation mood of Shri Krishna, they are like embracing Krishna in that separation mood. Yoga Maya has created, Yoga Maya has arranged them to come to Krishna. The husbands thought, our wives are with us, the gopis are with us. But this concept, this thinking is arranged by Yogamaya. So all these gopis were able to meet Krishna in the middle of Ras, in that circle, in that arena. Yogamaya is arranging this. And many other. So without Yogamaya, Krishna cannot do this. It is Ras Utsav Sampravatto. This festival of Ras Leela is all controlled. Doer is Ras Leela, but managed by Yogamaya. So when Krishna is reciprocating with all these gopis and coming in the middle is also arranged by Yogamaya. The question arises, who is Yogamaya? In all other pastimes, Yogamaya, who always wears saffron cloths, Paunamashi, she arranged the pastimes, bewildering Krishna, Mugdha, Sarvagata, I am omniscient, then I am also get bewildered. All these things arranged by Yogamaya. But who is the Yogamaya, the term Yogamaya in this particular Ras Leela, this festival? Radha Rani. Radha Rani is arranging this. She is Yogamaya. So when Shukdev Goswami is saying Yogamaya Upashita, that means taking shelter of Radha Rani, Krishna was able to relish this festival. Ras Utsav Sampravatto. Okay. Now, very interesting point. Give attention. There are two ways of understanding the phrase. The phrase means the verse. Krishna entered between each pair of gopis. Try to understand. Focus on this. There are two ways of understanding this. One is Krishna entered between each pair of gopis. Two gopis, one Krishna. Each pair of gopis, Krishna. The first understanding is that this is a phrase. Actually, this is a phrase. Krishna entered between each pair of gopis. This is a phrase. Now, there are two understandings about this. The first understanding is that Krishna expanded as two forms on two sides of each gopi. Krishna expanded himself in two forms, as two forms on two sides of each gopis. This is one. The second understanding says that one Krishna entered between each pair of the gopis. This is second understanding. Which one is better? Vishnu Chakur Thakur raising this point, and he is going to give answer to that. So sometime when we speak Harikatha, we ask, yes, tell me. And we as audience, we are only looking what to say. Then the speaker has to give answer. So Vishnu Chakur Thakur raised this point. Krishna entered between each pair of the gopis. That's the phrase. But the first understanding is Krishna expanded as two forms. This is the first understanding. The second understanding is that Krishna entered between each pair of the gopis as one form. Now, in the first explanation, each gopi would have Krishna on each shoulder, which could be contradictory for her. Why? Contradictory for her. One gopi will get touch of one Krishna, means one hand of Krishna, and other gopi will get the touch of another hand of Krishna. That's little contradictory. So therefore he is concluding, but still it's not a problem, because the great Yogamaya Shakti made each gopi aware that only one Krishna was touching her. Vishnu Chakur Thakur is saying, still it's no problem. But great Yogamaya Shakti is creating this, that every gopi is thinking, I am only getting touch of one Krishna. But by considering this, there is a problem in the first understanding of the phrase, that if Krishna expands two forms, then every gopi will get touch of one Krishna, not the touch of other Krishna. That's why it is little contradictory. But the second understanding is better, as he said. There is, however, no contradiction in the second explanation, and that is one Krishna entered between each pair of gopis. That solves all problem. One Krishna. Being maddened by love, each gopi thought, Krishna is here embracing me alone. Even though we see him dancing all around, it is simply because of his unique expertise in the art of dancing. This is what gopis are seeing this. Before, Ras was not able to take place. Before, Ras was not able to take place. Why? तासम तम सौभाग्यमदम वीक्ष मनव च केशव प्रशमय प्रसादाय ततव अंतर्धीयते. Chandravali and other camp thinking, we are so fortunate, Krishna is reciprocating with us. And Radharani got in man, oh, Krishna is reciprocating me and also reciprocating with my counterparts. And Krishna thought, if this is going to happen between two sides, I'm in between, I got stuck, what to do? Better I disappear. I should disappear. For these two reasons. What Krishna is trying to do? Krishna is trying to create a situation where a mood should develop in Radharani that all these other Sakhis are not others, but they are my own Sakhis. I have no issues with them, but they are just like my Sakhis. To develop this mood in Radharani, and to develop in Sakhis the mood that without Radharani shelter we cannot relish this festival, Ras Leela. To harmonize, to reconcile between these two different counterparts, which is not a material conception or material consideration here, as we see in this material world. Oh, and envious mood or some hostile mood is not the matter there. That's transcendental. Is it transcendental? Even demigods cannot see gopis, imagine. Only Devis, demigoddesses can see. It's transcendental in nature. How can we understand this philosophy? This reciprocation. Krishna is trying to reconcile this with this point that want to develop this mood in Radharani that all the other Sakhis are not others, not outsiders, they are my own Sakhis. To develop this mood in Radharani and to develop the mood in the other Sakhis, that independently we can't enjoy Ras Leela with Krishna, but only through the media of Radharani we can enjoy this. Krishna is thinking, if I am able to do this, then it solves all problems and we can all enjoy Ras Leela. And this is what happened in the last. This is what happened in the last. Radharani and Krishna in the middle of the circle and all the gopis surrounded. And Radharani is thinking, oh, just like Krishna is reciprocating with me, is with me. And similarly, he is also reciprocating with all these Sakhis. Here solves the problem. And other gopis who surrounded there is visualizing that Krishna is touching me, but is also reciprocating with other gopis. So I have no problem because he is also reciprocating with me. He is also embracing me. So I have no problem. And that's why they are seeing how wonderfully Krishna is so expert in dancing and this skill of dance, that he is reciprocating with me, he is reciprocating with everyone else. Harmonized. And that's why Ras Utsav Sampravatto Gopi Mandal Mandita. Yogeshwarena Krishna Tasa Madhyam Doi Doi. The word Doi Doi has used, not Dui Dui. In Holland you say Dui Dui means bye bye, but Doi Doi. Two gopis means each pair of gopis. Each pair of gopis. So, Shri Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita is trying to explain. I took shelter of Vishnu Chakur Thakur from this verse from Ras Leela to share with all of the devotees what is the secret of Ras Leela, whereas Kaviraj Goswami is trying to highlight that Krishna can expand in so many forms, and he mentioned two pastimes. One is Dwarka Leela and other is Vrindavan Leela. Dwarka Leela and Vrindavan Leela. That's the glories of Shri Krishna. So I'm ending up here saying this, and tomorrow we continue with the next verse, and I'm getting some messages, and I'm also feeling I'm going too slow. We have not even finished first one chapter of Adi Leela, and it's been so many days. So many days. So maybe tomorrow go fast, we catch up and try to finish first chapter, because more and more interesting topics are coming forward. More and more interesting topics. Chaitanya Charitamrita is full of Siddhanta and so interesting book to read and to understand, but with one purpose, and that is with one purpose, to become the servant of the servants and the servant of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Mad janmam phalam idam madhukaitavare mad prathna mad anugrah esh eva tad bhritya bhritya paricharaka bhritya bhritya bhritasya bhritya iti mam smara lokanath. King Kulshekhar, he uttered this verse, so wonderful. Mad janmam phalam idam madhukaitavare. Mad prathna, oh Prabhu, oh Bhagwan, if you want to give any boon to me, any benediction to me, seeing my sincerity and my some little sadhana, I want to ask a boon according to my choice. And that is Tad Bhritya. Bhritya means, in Russian language, Bhritya, Bhrata means brother. Bhrata means brother, but Bhritya means servant. Bhritya, Bhritya Paricharaka. Give me the service of your servants of the servants. Bhritya, Bhritya, Bhritasya Bhritya, Bhritimam, Smara Lokanatha. Servants of the servants, servants of the servants, servants of the servants. This is what is my choice. Yeah. Just before Chaitanya Charitamrita, I was speaking Jaiva Dharma to some like 100 devotees. They having some group study, and I'm helping them with few chapters of reading few chapters of Jaiva Dharma. So very interesting point came up today. That is, shall we depend on Krishna to give whatever he wants, or we should have some choice to seek anything from him, to ask anything from his? That was the point. If we depend on Krishna, then it's a trouble. Krishna said, oh, I can give you mukti, take mukti and spare me. Oh, dadami buddhi yogam tam. Oh, you want intelligence, buddhi yoga? Okay, take buddhi yoga, spare me. Many things he can give to us, and he can also give us liberations. Salokya Shashti Samipya Sarupe Kapayut. Take these liberations. But we will get cheated if we depend on him. Rather, we should have our own choice. Really? Will it work? Or it should be like that? Yes. So I'm giving one example. Just like a prasadam plate full of all sweets. A prasadam plate full of all sweets. There is rasgulla, there is gulab jamun, there is, in Western world, you may not even heard of all these sweets. It's so much familiar in India. So cake, pastries, ice creams, gulab jamun, rasgullas, halwa, balushai, son papdi. What else? Rasmalai, cham cham, malpua. It's mouth watering, huh? That's the festival about. So big plate. And if it is offered to devotees, you can choose whatever you want. So tell me honestly, everyone has their own choice. Some will pick pastry, some will pick cake, some will take malpua, take rasgulla according to their favorite, right? Everyone, yes? So all sweets are sweets. They are not bitter, they are delicious, they are tasty, but everyone has their own choice. Similarly, a sadhak has his own choice. If we depend on Krishna, he can very easily give muktis. How to prove this? Yes, there are verses. Demanana grananti vina mat sevanam jana. Krishna said, I can give you liberations. Take easily. Oh Prabhu, don't cheat me, okay? Those who want to get cheated, cheat them. I am not that simple. I have learned from my Gurudev, Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj. I learned from him. I learned from many other Gurudevs. All our respected Gurudevs. That you should ask with your choice. So, in Bhagavatam, where Krishna says, Salokya Shashti Samuppe, take all these liberations. What devotees say? Dimanana grananti. I don't want. Can you reject Krishna Prasad? Yes. Even if it is given by Krishna, I don't want. Even if it's given by Krishna. You want to give liberation? I don't want. Saying no to Lord? Yes. Saying no to Lord is yes. I can say yes, because then what you want? Dirmanana grananti vinasmat sevanam jana. I don't want all this liberation. I want what? Happiness in your service, the bliss in your service. Oh, here comes the point. Krishna will point out. Yes, now understand why you want my service. You want to get blissful. So here comes the point. That's also again sense enjoyment. No, Prabhu, you're not understanding me. It's too easy to understand Krishna through Guru Vargas, his nature. But for Krishna, it's difficult to understand the words of the devotees. It's other way around. Understand Krishna is easy, but for Krishna, understanding devotee is very difficult. So when Krishna pointed out, oh, here comes the point. You want to get happiness, you want to get bliss by serving. So actually, you don't want service. What you want? You want happiness. Prabhu, no, you don't understanding my point. Then explain me. Then that sadhak says, I heard from my Acharya Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, Tomar sevaye dukh hai jata saito param sukha. Oh Prabhu, in your service, whatever suffering I go through, I will take all these sufferings as a matter of my bliss and my happiness. Now you understand? And Krishna, oh, so high mood? Any devotee needs sufferings. I explained earlier class. Yes, Kunti Devi. She asked for this. What she said? Vipadana santuna shashvat tatra tatra jagadguru bhavto darshanam yasyat punarbhava darshanam. Vipad. Vipad means calamity. Very simple meaning of this word vipad. So Kunti Devi is asking, seeking for calamities, troubles. Yes, this is what we heard, but there is a special meaning of this word. Vipad. Vipad means, pad means lotus feet, and vipad means vishishta rupena pad. The lotus feet of Krishna with some speciality. This is what Kunti Devi wants. The service of the lotus feet of Krishna, vipad, with some speciality. She asked that. So this was her desire, with her choice. Yes, this is her choice. Otherwise, very interesting topic. So many points coming up. Bhagwan asked Vritasur, what you want? Na Nagprishtam, na Parmeshtam, na Sarvbhaumam, na Rasadipatyam. No, 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 no. Na Yog Siddhi, na Punarbhavam va. I don't want to get this Dhruv Loka. I don't want to get Brahma, position of Brahma. I don't want to get any, I don't want to become the king of the planet Earth. I don't want to become any perfection, nothing else. Even if I give you, yes. But I offered this to Dhruv Maharaj. You offered to Dhruv Maharaj, but he was lamenting for this. He didn't wanted this. Then what he wanted? He wanted Bhakti Mai Parvatam Toi Me Prasango Bhuyat Ahat Mata Amla Shayanam. Dhruv Maharaj said, I don't want this. Prabhu, you are giving me. What can I do? It's my misfortune, because I was asking this from you. And now you're giving this. Actually, I don't want. Then what you want? I want the association of your devotees. That's my choice. So Vritasur saying, I don't want the position of Dhruva, the position of Brahma or king or any perfections. Then what you want? Samanjasya tavira kankshase. I want to worship you in vipralambhav, in separation mode. That's my choice. Yes, so every devotee has their own choice, and they want to ask Krishna, get blessed by Krishna. They have their own choice of asking any benediction from Krishna, not just giving a free will or free choice to Krishna to give whatever you want. No. I have a particular taste. I will take malpua. I will take ice cream. My particular taste. I want association of devotees. I want to serve you in separation mood. Different categories. Anyway, it's too late. Hare Krishna. Hope the Zoom app will work tomorrow. If not, we'll come back again to this reciprocation of soul and super soul. You all can see me and I can't see all of you. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.